Hello everybody and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In the purple box there's some mystery math and your challenge is to figure out what that math is. You can use the link in the description to give this a try, and when you think you've got an idea, come on back, see if we get the same thing. Alright, I'm going to begin with a 0. Alright, so 0 gives us 0. How about a 1? So 1 gives us 0.01, so that's 1/100th. How about a 2? And that gives us 4/100ths. Huh. How about a 3? I see. Okay, now I've got an idea, and I'm thinking we're going to get something symmetrical on the other side of the y-axis. So let's put in a -1. And let's put in a -2. And we'll put in a -3 too, just to keep it balanced. All right, well, do you think you know what's happening here? So the symmetrical across the y-axis functions we've seen before are absolute value and the quadratic function. Can you tell from the numbers? It's really hard to see. Is that a line? Is that a curve? To just use your eyes on that would be pretty difficult. But from these numbers, I think you can tell. So from 0 to 1, it goes up by 1/100th. From 1 to 2, it goes up by 3. And from 2 to 3, it goes up by 5. So that is a quadratic pattern. The slopes are not the same between those points, so therefore this is a curve. So I think we've got a pretty simple quadratic. The vertex appears to be right here on the origin. So our function would be f of x equals something times x squared. And how can we tell what that something is? Well, when I've got a pretty simple quadratic like this, what I would look for is what's it doing at 1? Because when we put in 1 for x, 1 squared is just 1. So whatever gets multiplied here, whatever the multiplier is going to be our output. And we've got 0.01. So I think our multiplier is 1/100th, which would give us a very, very shallow parabola. So I think that's what we've got going on here. If you put in, let's say, a -3, -3 squared would be a +9, times 1/100th would be 9/100ths. That's what we get here. So I'm satisfied we've got this one. So I'm going to go ahead and check this. There it is. Yeah, 1/100th x squared. And let's graph this as well. Yeah, beautiful, shallow parabola. Well, how did that go for you? Did these numbers throw you off, or did you get this one? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.